So we all know that sugar is bad for us, but today we're going to take a deeper dive into how it affects female hormone function. Hi guys, my name's Valentino and I help women just like you with nutrition and fitness so that you can live an amazing lifestyle in a body that you absolutely love. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you find value in this video, share it with your friends. So we definitely know that sugar has a negative impact on our bodies, but today we're going to talk about how it affects female hormone function in relation to PMS, mood swings, irritability, increase of estrogen, increase of testosterone, and what that does to our body's functions. Excessive amounts of sugar create the perfect hormonal storm in a female's body. Eating too much sugar, we know, causes gain in body fat. Fat cells are actually the only cell in the body that's not an organ that will produce excessive amounts of estrogen. Rise in estrogen causes imbalance in our progesterone and our other sex hormones. Excessive amounts of estrogen can be blamed for increased PMS, for low sex drive, for increased amount of fat cells, and really just overall anxiety and fatigue. From the other aspect, when we have too much insulin in our bodies, we have lower amounts of sex hormone binding globulin. This actually causes our testosterone levels to rapidly increase as well. For females, having too much testosterone can cause polycystic ovarian syndrome, it can cause facial hair, it can cause masculine features, and of course, all of the other side effects that we experience with PMS symptoms. The part of this that's so hard is that we can spend all of our time managing these symptoms, completely unsure of where they've come from, when really what we have to do first is we have to look at our nutrition and what we are putting in our mouth if we want to sideline hormonal dysfunction. Stepping outside of this dysfunction is really important. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you're eating multiple meals in small amounts throughout your day. The second thing that you want to do is make sure that you are staying hydrated. The third thing that you want to do is you absolutely have to manage your stress levels as you are rearranging the nutrition that you put in your body. And the fourth thing to be mindful of is that when you are quitting sugar, sugar alcohols can be just as bad as sugar for the spikes and the cravings, so make sure to go ahead and put those to the side as well. If you want to use a Mediterranean diet to kickstart this change, it would be a really good idea. You have a ton of brain boosting, nourishing fats that will help with the sugar cravings. If you have any questions to help you gain success with shelving the sugar, make sure to drop your questions below. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and share with your friends. See you on the next episode.